Hello there, welcome back. So OnePlus is working on its first Android tablet called OnePlus Pad 5G. It may release soon as Mukul Sharma claims that OnePlus has started producing the OnePlus Pad in Europe and other markets. However, no hints about the same have come from OnePlus yet. Separately, Shadow Leak has provided several specifications for the OnePlus Pad 5G. So without waiting anymore, let's check out the specs. The tablet will feature a conventional rectangular screen with 16:9 or 16:10 aspect ratio, proportionate bezels, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Although this render by TechDroider makes it seem like a 4:3 aspect ratio, which is unusual. Anyways, there are no actual images or official renders, so let's keep this aside and zero in on the leaks. The tablet will bear a 12.4-inch Full HD Plus OLED panel and presumably a 90Hz or higher refresh rate. If these display specs do turn out to be accurate, then it will be a fantastic panel perfect for media consumption. Moving on, we have a dual rear camera unit comprising of a 13-megapixel main shooter and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor. Up front, it will have an 8-megapixel selfie snapper. Generally, cameras are not the focus when selecting components for a tablet, so don't expect too much from these sensors. Next, we have the chipset. It will be powered by Snapdragon 865 SoC coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. Now some of you might think Snapdragon 870 would have been better, and you are right. But remember, they are not far apart in terms of performance. At most, you will lose out on some gaming performance, but the upside of selecting this chip is the lower price tag. The battery is a generous 10,090 mAh with 45W fast charging. The tablet will also get Bluetooth 5.1, Android 12, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The leaker also mentions that the OnePlus Pad 5G may be priced at around Yuan 2,999, that is roughly Rs 36,000 or $471 US. But since nothing official has arrived from OnePlus in this regard, take the leaks mentioned here with a grain of salt. So yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and as always, catch you in the next one.